everyone, you are watching Galgotia's News Network. This is me, Masfa Gohar, bringing you latest headlines, campus buzz and beyond. Galgotia's University's students compete at Indian Karting Race 2025 in Coimbatore. Galgotia's University's mechanical faculty joined CBSE STEM district level deliberations. Galgotia's University signs MOU with Fate M.R. Jaipuria schools. Galgotia's University hosts IEEE Computer Society Climate and Sustainability Symposium 2025. Galgotia's University shines in QS World University Rankings Asia 2026. Galgotia's University receives QS Recognition Award for Global Engagement. Galgotia's University's law students excel at Henry Dunant Memorial Moot Court 2025. Galgotia's University IEEE Computer Society Chapter wins Best Chapter Award at AICSSYC 2025. Galgotia's University signs MOU with GIMS for Human Clinical Research. Galgotia's University's student represents India at World Taekwondo Championship 2025. Galgotia's University's student selected for Asia Cup Archery 2025. Galgotia's University CRELS conducts webinar on intersectionality and stray dog laws. Galgotia's University's electrical engineering students visit Renewable Energy and Battery Show 2025. Galgotia's University Polytechnic hosts CSI Noida Cybersecurity Meetup. A 30-member team from Mechanical, ECE, Electrical and CSE departments of Galgotia's University has participated in the Indian Karting Race 2025 at Janssens Institute of Technology, Coimbatore from 30th October to 3rd November. The team Mech E-Lights cleared all major inspections with their self-designed electric vehicle go-kart. The Mech E-Lights team moved confidently into the event stages after completing safety and technical checks. Their EV go-kart reflects strong teamwork and hands-on learning across departments. Faculty mentors Dr. Ashish and Mr. Sandeep Kumar continue to guide the students throughout the competition. Faculty from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Galgotia's University, participated in the CBSE STEM district level deliberations hosted by Sardar Patel Vidyalaya on 8th November 2025. The session focused on STEM and engagement with the community and included expert talks and school outreach interaction. Faculty members from Galgotia's University shared their views on practical STEM learning and community involvement. The session gave school students a chance to understand how engineering connects to real-life applications and future careers. It also strengthened collaboration between schools and higher education. Galgotia's University and St. M.R. Jaipuria schools have signed an MOU to work together on education, skill development and student learning pathways. Through this collaboration, both institutions will create opportunities for students to explore career guidance, mentorship and practical learning. The partnership will support young learners in developing essential skills and preparing for higher education with better clarity. It also aims to build long-term academic cooperation between the two institutions. Galgotia's University hosted the IEEE Computer Society Climate and Sustainability Symposium 2025 at the AI Knowledge Center with experts from India and abroad discussing technology, innovation and sustainability. The symposium brought together speakers from the IEEE Computer Society, IIT Kanpur, and leading tech and sustainability organizations. They shared insights on how technology can support climate solutions and sustainable development. The event also highlighted Galgotia's University's focus on active learning, research, and global partnerships that support the UN Sustainable Development Goals. Galgotia's University has been ranked 15 among India's top private universities and 43 among all Indian universities in the QS World University Rankings 2026. In the QS Asia Rankings 2026, the university stands at 116 in Southern Asia and 454 in Asia. These rankings show the growing impact of Galgotia's University in global higher education. The university also received the QS Recognition Award for Global Engagement Performance Improvement. Under the guidance of Dr. Dhruv Galgotia, the G-Scale learning model continues to support innovation, active learning, and international growth. Galgotia's University has been honored at the QS Higher Ed Summit Asia Pacific 2025 with the QS Recognition Award for Global Engagement Performance Improvement. The award highlights Galgotia's University's efforts to build strong international partnerships and improve global engagement. It also reflects the university's focus on quality education and meaningful learning opportunities for students. A team of 3 students, Pratishtha Singh, Muskan Verma, and Shivansh Maurya, represented Galgotia's University at the 24th Henry Dunant Memorial Moot Court Competition 2025 organized by ISIL and the ICRC in New Delhi. The students performed strongly in the competition and demonstrated clear understanding of international law and advocacy skills.
And I am a 4th-year law student of Galgotia's University. I recently got a chance to participate in the India rounds of 24th Henry Dunant Memorial Moot Court Competition organized by the Indian Society of International Law in collaboration with the International Committee of the Red Cross. To be very honest, the entire experience was incredible and very amazing. None of this would have been possible without the constant support of our university in the form of our faculties, our mentors who were constantly there for us throughout the 4-5 months of preparation that we had. We used to sit together, we used to discuss every little detail, every doubt that we had. Along with that, the library provided us enough resources in the form of books and the online materials that we needed to access. So yeah, it was a constant support throughout, which made it possible to achieve what we have achieved.
Their participation reflects the steady growth of legal training and mooting culture at Galgotia's University.
I am in my 3rd year of law school, and I am very pleased and honored to share that I won Best Researcher Award at Henry Dunant Memorial Moot Court Competition 24th edition. Along with my team of Pratishtha Singh and Muskan Verma, we won Best Memorial Award, making our memorial ranked among the highest across India. I am very grateful to my faculty members and convener and co-convener of Moot Court Society for helping us throughout this journey.
Their achievement encourages more law students to take part in national platforms and build practical experience.
Galgotia University has played in supporting my journey. I'd say that Galgotia University provides you with every opportunity to participate in national and international moot court competitions. And not only that, they also ensure that you are mentored at every stage. So I think Galgotia's University has played an immense role in supporting my journey.
The IEEE Computer Society Student Branch Chapter of Galgotia's University won the first prize for Best Chapter in India at AICSSYC 2025 in Kolkata. The award was received by Shubhranshu Shekhar Das, Rashi Bajpai and Gaurang Pant. The recognition highlights the strong work done by the IEEE community at Galgotia's University through events, projects and student participation. The chapter received the award in the presence of senior IEEE leaders, reflecting its active role in national level activities. The achievement motivates students to continue contributing to technology, learning and professional growth. Galgotia's University signed an MOU with the Government Institute of Medical Sciences, GIMS, Greater Noida, to collaborate in research academics and skill development across biosciences and forensic sciences. The partnership will support joint research projects, training programs and academic exchanges between both institutions. Students and faculty will gain access to advanced research facilities, internships and ethical review support through the GIMS Ethics Committee. The collaboration aims to strengthen work in biomedical sciences, biotechnology, forensic sciences and health sciences through shared expertise and coordinated initiatives. Vaishnav, a student of MA English represented India at the World Taekwondo Championship 2025 held in Wuxi, China from 24 to 30 October 2025. Her participation at the world level event shows her dedication and consistent effort in the sport. She competed with top athletes from across the globe and gained valuable international exposure. Her journey inspires many students to pursue sports along with academics. Kritika Bijpuria, a student of BA English, has been selected to represent India at the Junior Asia Cup Archery 2025. Her selection for the upcoming championship reflects her steady progress and dedication in archery. Competing at this level will give her valuable experience and strengthen her journey as a young athlete. Her achievement also encourages students to pursue sports with confidence and discipline. The Center for Research in Environmental Law and Sustainability, CRELS, held a webinar on intersectionality in law, examining the discourse around stray dogs on 16 October 2025, featuring Ms. Anita V., research analyst in environmental and animal law. In the session, the speaker explained how social factors and legal systems connect in discussions about stray dogs. She shared insights on court decisions, municipal policies, and animal welfare laws, and discussed how these issues affect different communities in different ways. The webinar helped students understand how law, society, and animal welfare come together in real situations. The Department of Electrical Engineering organized an industrial visit to the Renewable Energy and Battery Show, India Expo 2025 on 1st November 2025 to give students practical exposure to renewable energy and electric mobility. Students explored new technologies in solar power, wind energy, hydrogen systems, and advanced battery storage. They also learned about electric vehicles and energy management from industry experts. The visit helped them understand real challenges in the clean energy sector and encouraged them to think about innovative solutions for future energy needs. The University Polytechnic Galgotias University organized a CSI Noida meetup that brought together cybersecurity experts and learners for talks, discussions, and networking. The session also welcomed ACP Vivek Tyagi as the chief guest. The meetup covered key topics such as social engineering, IoT attack surfaces, and online privacy. Students interacted with industry professionals, asked questions, and took part in quizzes. The event helped participants understand current trends in cybersecurity and encourage continuous learning in this fast-moving field. And that's a wrap from GNN. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, this is Maspa Gohar signing off. Stay aware and stay connected.